fam, and welcome back. Today we've got 4 pairs of Christian Louboutin high-end ladies shoes in. Now Christian Louboutin are known for their red bottom soles, their signature sleek look and design. So what we're going to be doing is giving these some good TLC because they've had some better days. All 4 pairs are going to receive the Casali red shine mirror soles. We're going to be doing some heel work and fixing a poor attempt at some toe pieces. So guys, join us today and let's fire up that intro. Alright guys, I'm excited to announce a new collaboration with a company called Trendhim, a Danish company that specialises in men's accessories. They've generously given us a watch to promote and a unique discount code for all our viewers. Trendhim is a company that is dedicated to providing men's stylish and high quality accessories. They've got a wide range of products including watches, wallets, belts and bags. They're known for their attention to detail and commitment to customer service. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce you to Trendhim, tell you a little bit about who they are and what they stand for. They were founded in 2008 and are passionate about men's fashion and wanted to create a company that would offer stylish and high quality materials. Since then, Trendhim has grown into a successful and a respected brand that is loved by men all over the world. Trendhim's products are all designed with the modern man in mind. They are stylish, timeless and made to last. Whether you're looking for a new watch, wallet or belt, Trendhim has something that will suit your style and needs. And the best part, Trendhim are offering a special discount code for all of you guys. Just use the code Cobbler15 at checkout, you get 15% off your entire order. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to take advantage of it while you can, and I'll pop all the details below in the description. Alright, so let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so we're going to let these glues dry on all of the Lady Louboutin shoes. We're going to head up next door, we're going to go see Rob, the main man himself. We're going to get some coffee to fuel the rest of the day. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that's us completely done with these repairs. So as you can see here, we've done some Casali red shine mirror soles, we've done some heel work, really fixed that bad attempt at toe pieces, and we gave them a good clean and tidy up, ready for phase 2 of their life. So guys, as always, you know what to do. Drop a little like, drop a little subscribe, drop a comment below, let me know what you think about the job, and hope you guys have a great Christmas and New Year. We'll catch you in 2023. A peace.